Hello everybody, Chloethedev here, and welcome to the fourth installment of getting started with the Near blockchain. So in the first video, we went over just setting up an account, overview of what proof of stake is, what is the Near blockchain, and how do I get started using it. The second video, we started talking about choosing a validator. I'm pretty sure validators are nodes, computers that verify all the transactions and state transitions happening on the Near blockchain. Then we started looking at some dApps. Okay, now that we have a Near account, what do we do with it? We got some Near, we got an account, we secured our keys. What am I actually going to do? So we went through Berry Club, we went through Paris.id, an NFT platform. They're both kind of artistic platforms. Now we're going to be looking at the testnet and trying to ensure that we are able to test things out on the Near blockchain as well. When new dApps come out, they'll usually come out on testnet first, so they can make sure that all their functions are working correctly. So if you want to interact with those applications on Near, you will need a Near wallet. So the first thing to know, in my opinion, about Near testnet is that the addresses on Near testnet are not the same as Near mainnet. So on Ethereum, if I have some long 0x string on mainnet, I have that exact same account. I have access to it on testnet. So they're the same account IDs. On Near, there's different account IDs. So here you can see for Chloe, I have chloe.testnet, and you can see here I have chloe.near. Now I had to register these two names distinctly at separate points in time because they're not the same. So I have some mainnet names that I will not have on testnet, but for testnet, I'm going to make a new account, and this is going to be helpful for me when I am starting out with the mint-based testnet coming out over the next few days, next week. So my main project for Mintbase, at the very basics of it, is to mint for the Marma J Foundation, create a store for the Marma J Foundation, where I will have split fees from that artwork going to other addresses. So everything's going to be minted on the Marma J .testnet for now, and I'll have Chloe or Chloethedev or Bianca or other artists mint on that account and have split fees going to different causes to raise funds for different charities. That's the basics of it. So, add account. That's what we're gonna do. Wait, create new account. Sorry, create new account, not add account. So when we create a new account, we're not gonna need Near like on mainnet. So on mainnet, when you want to create a named account, you will send one Near token at the current price. It could go down. It's not supposed to ever go up. So at first it was 2 Near a few months ago. Then it was 1.1 Near. Now it's 1 Near. You pay storage to have your Near name. So here we're going to say the account ID is going to be Marma J. So, that name's already taken. I must have that account somewhere and I don't have it logged in here. Darn it. I should probably go try and find it unless someone took it from me. Let's do, because we have Bianca, we have Chloe, we have Amory. I don't think I have, oh no, and I do have Chloethedev.testnet. What testnet account should I really wanted to, okay, let's just do Friends of the Care Project for now. What? I'm confused. Is this thing happening again where it's, I don't have these testnet accounts. This is interesting. Okay, let's see. Let's try 1, 2, 3, 9, 8, 3. Some random string. Okay, that's available. Did I make a bunch of testnet accounts and not add them to my URL? I think I made these already. So I don't want to make something too random. Let's do Mackenzie. Mackenzie is the head of, she's a yoga teacher in Antigua who I'm sort of trying to onboard onto Near and onboard into the blockchain Web3 space in general. And let's see. Let's just do email recovery. Let's use my public email so that there's no issues there. Continue, and then gotta get my verification code. I'm gonna do this on another screen so that I'm not, actually, this is a good check. Is the the verification code is displayed openly. Let's see if I can copy and paste this and move this onto another screen. I'm not sure if this will work. Okay. I gotta redo it. So sorry, I'm off screen, but let's do it again. And then I gotta go to my Gmail. I used email recovery for my Testnet accounts. I would not suggest doing that for your mainnet accounts. Let's see. Because it's not very secure. If someone gets into your email, they are going to be able to steal all your funds. This is a full access key. So I should now have access, there we go, to Mackenzie.testnet. So I know I'm off screen. I am now back, and I should have to refresh the page. And there we go. I am in Mackenzie.testnet. Let's go to the profile. We start off with 199.9999996 near because we used some for storage. We have 0 in staking pools. So you can test out your staking now as well. You can come here. It should still show a list of validators. It'll take some time to load all the data. But all the same steps we went through on the first video going through how to set up a Near account, it's all the same for Testnet, except for you need to know that the names are free to get. They all end in Testnet, and they come funded with 199 Near. So I guess you don't see a list here of Testnet validators. So sad. It'd be nice if they showed you, because I'm sure you can still find them on the Testnet, but I've never actually done any Testnet validating. So that was the majority of this video, just how to set it up. But what I would like to do is show but not show how I would add some Testnet accounts from my email that are on other accounts. So I would assume, I have to, seeing these notifications bothers me. Anyways, I think that I would have put them into info@marmaj for these two, Friends of the Care Project and marmaj.near. I probably made them earlier to get ready for the mint-based testnet launch. So I'm just gonna type in Near. Actually, what were they called? Wallet. Let's see. I'm starting to feel like maybe I didn't make them here, and maybe I made them on Chloethedev. Oh, there it is. marmaj.testnet and Friends of the Care Project.testnet. They're on my laptop browser, but not here. So I am going to, again, although I don't think it would matter. Oh no, yes, it would matter because those codes don't change. So yeah, sorry. I don't necessarily distrust you strangers, but I definitely don't trust you strangers. So, but I will show it what it would look like. So that's how I would find them, right? Then I would go to add account. Oh wait, all I gotta do is click magic links. Ha ha ha, I forgot that. So let's go to my magic links. Here we go. Recover my account. Boom. continue. And now it's good to go. Again, I don't want to be showing all this, showing magic links on screen. But you're going to have to take my word for it, okay? Take my word for it. It's working. Friends of the Care Project.near. We're going to recover that one too. Continue. So it comes up with a pop-up that says restore account. Click continue to restore it in your browser. It restores. And then let's come back here so that we can show they weren't here before. And then we are going to refresh the browser, because the tab was already open. And now we're logged into Friends of the Care Project.testnet. And we have Mackenzie, like we just created today, Mama J, and Friends of the Care Project, which we added. And so next week, when I get to do a video about setting up a Testnet account on Mintbase, what I'll be able to show is, so Mackenzie is my full-on test account. So when I do it for a video here, I'll be using Mackenzie.testnet, and I'll be creating a fun little play store where I put up some play NFTs and just completely try and break things live for Chloethedev Unfiltered. For my own personal tests, I'll be using MarmaJ.testnet to add some minters, and those minters will be Chloe, Bianca, and then Chloe and Bianca will be able to mint things and then put split fees out to Friends of the Care Project, and arguably Mackenzie too, as someone who helps and supports. Oh yeah, I was saying she's someone who helps and supports the animals and on the island. She helps with the endangered turtles. She helps with the stray dogs. And she's a yoga teacher as well. And she just likes spreading love and positivity, it seems, just like I do. And so part of the goal for the Mama J Foundation is to empower others to spread love and positivity. And so actually, I might go make a new Sputnik DAO soon for that, for the Mama J Foundation. But that's a completely other idea. I'll do a video covering Sputnik DAOs eventually. CreateBase has one. But I'll show it quickly. Why not? Quickly. So on mainnet, for next time, we're going to be talking about a DAO, Decentralized Autonomous Organization, on Near. This is the Genesis Sputnik DAO. And then you could see CreateBase's first DAO. That we passed it. Someone asked for 10 Near. And as long as this DAO is up, anybody can request 10 Near just for doing something creative. Okay, so this person, something was creative, was testing out the Arts Sputnik DAO that they created earlier today. So that's the end for this video. One of my shortest ones. I'm going to try and keep them this short in general, 10 to 15 minutes, going over a very specific topic, hopefully, in the near space, so that anybody at any, learning level, knowledge level with the blockchain should be able to learn something from these short little streams. So hopefully today you learned something about the Near Testnet, how to set up an account on Near Testnet, why you would want an account, and how it differs from a mainnet account as well. And hope to see you for video 5, which will probably happen early next week. But you'll be watching it hopefully soon.